and thanks for tuning in. My name's George May and I'm from Racecraft. Today we're going to fit this Nissan Skyline viscous coupled 4.69 ratio diff centre into a Triumph TR6. As you can see, we've made a bracket for the front, adapts into the original Nissan mounting positions, and we've modified the output shafts so that it accepts the CV joints that we're already using. Now previously we've already fitted the CV joints and hubs into this car. We've made this bracket for the back of the diff to support the back end. That goes together with this, goes onto there, and then the original studs that hang down from the chassis come down through these two holes here. Because the studs are so long in the back of the chassis, we've also made these spacers that go up under here and take up that long length, but we'll show you that once it's in the car as well. Now, we've also had to re-drill and modify these output shafts. The normal Nissan one looks like that, but as we've already converted this car previously to CV joints, we need these to fit our existing CV joints, which is this one here, and of course they just plug straight onto there and makes it an easy bolt up job. We've also made a bracket to support the front of the diff. Same thing again, you've got these long studs that hang down from the chassis, and we've made these aluminium spacers that just take up the length of the shaft so we can get a nut onto the bottom. Now those of you that are keen-eyed will notice that the pinion flange is missing. The reason for that is we're just ready to re-drill that to suit the Triumph drive shaft. So the Triumph drive shaft will bolt straight onto the front of the Nissan Diff. Alright, so we'll put it into the car now and show it to you all mounted up in the car. As you can see, we already have our CV joints fitted into the car. We're just waiting to lift the diff centre in now. We'll show you that in a moment. But over here, we've fitted the hubs, the CV joints, and we've also converted it to rear disc brakes. We've made up handbrake cables and so forth. So all that side of it's ready to go. All we need to do now is put the diff in, which we will do next. So we've now got our diff bolted in. If you have a look up here, you can see we've got all our aluminium spacers bolted up. CV joints are in. You can just see up past the exhaust there. So she's all in, all done, and ready for a test drive.